Okay, we're ready to roll. What's on the chopping block for today, Glenn?
Well, this is a dormer that's pretty similar to some of our other stuff, but this one's done with the SIPS panels. This is just like a split dormer, just something that someone might put up on their roof to make it look a little nicer. A lot of people put these up in areas that are like above the entry door of their house to keep the water flow from coming off the roof and you know putting putting a flow over the eaves of their house as they enter their front door.
Uh-huh.
It diverts the water away from their, giving them a wet head as they try to get in their door of their house,
Yeah.
and it makes their house look a little cuter.
Yeah, I like the split dormer. This one's interesting.
Yeah, and it's all done with SIPS panels. There's only 11 pieces to it. You can see the various pieces. Let me show you a different view here. Let me share a different screen. All right, so this is what it looks like. You can see how it stacks up there. It's not that big. It's only like about an 8'8" or 8'9" span on this little one here, and then the bigger span is slightly bigger.
So you said there's 7 pieces. I'm trying to count them real quick. So we
No,
got
no, there's 11 pieces, but
11.
a couple of them are pretty tiny. Like this little piece here is pretty tiny.
Okay.
A couple of these pieces are, you know, really good size to where you'd want more than one person to try to handle it.
Uh-huh.
But you can see how it's beveled to sit on the roof surface itself.
Yeah.
And the SIPS panel come with this bevel already cut, so you don't have to do anything but set these up on the roof. So it takes away a lot of the work that
Uh-huh.
would otherwise might be required. Let me show you this other one here. Now, are you seeing this one?
Yeah, there we go. I was waiting for that.
All right. So now you can see, because it's exploded, you can see the different pieces.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, so that's how it sets up.
Eight,
I just put a little distance between them, and now you can see how they the different little pieces are. So the company that makes the SIPS panels does these cuts for you, and you don't have to do anything but stick them together. Makes it a lot faster. It speeds everything up. And goes straight to the job. You know, there's going to be a delivery charge depending on where you live, but uh, you know, there's no lumber cost other than the siding that you put on it and the trim, depending on what you coat it with, and you know, the window or the trim material, and then the roofing material. Other than that, it goes up quick.
All right, if you're interested in this, you can contact us at our email in the description. And I'll get together a catalog of all the different SIPS panel add-ons that Glen has made so far, just to give you an idea of what is possible. You can check those out on our site. Thank you for watching.